Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LinkedIn Publishing to create posts consistently step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type www.linkedin.com in the address bar. Press the Enter key to navigate to LinkedIn's homepage. Look for the Sign In button at the top of the page. Click on the Sign In button. Enter your registered email address in the appropriate field. Next, input your password in the password field. Click the Sign In button to access your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, locate the Home tab on your LinkedIn dashboard. On the home page, look for the Start a Post option. Click on the Start a Post option to open the post editor. At the bottom of the editor, click the Write Article link. This will redirect you to the LinkedIn publishing platform. Here, you will see an empty editor for your article. Begin by adding a title to your post in the designated field. Next, write the body of your post in the large text area below. You can format your text using the toolbar options available above the editor. To add images or videos, click on the media icon within the editor. Upload any files you wish to include in your post. Once you are happy with your content, click on the Publish button. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm your decision to publish. Review the prompt and click Publish again to finalize. Your post will now be live on LinkedIn for your network to see. To create more posts consistently, repeat these steps as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.